This is becoming a much more popular type of problem for math teachers where they're asking students to find the mistake. There's so many problems now where students can just take a picture and find the answer that it's a problem like this where you actually have to use your brain and understand what's going on. So, first thing I want to do, instead of just looking at this, it might be hard to find the mistake just by looking at it. I'm going to label the things that I know and I'm going to plug them in myself, and then I'll be able to find the difference. So here's my formula right here. And let's read the problem. Let's find out what we know. Okay, Nick invests $500 each month. Okay, so that is the D. That is his deposit. His monthly deposit is $500. In an annuity that earns 7%, okay, so my rate is 7%. Remember, when we plug a rate into a formula, we want to put it in decimal form, 0.07. For 32 years, that is going to be my T. My time in years is 32. He plugs his data into the formula to predict his future value using the following formula. What mistake did Nick make? Okay, so here is my D, which is going to go right here in the front. Okay, that looks good. And then here's my rate, which is 0.07, which is going to go where I see the R and where I see the R. And that's it. That's the mistake. Look at what they put. They put 7. But when we're using it in a formula, we have to use the decimal form. So we're not going to use the 7%. We need to use 0.07. Okay, so that's the mistake right there. The rate was put in as 7 instead of 0.07. All right, and look out for these problems. They're going to do all kinds of stuff. You know, they could flip these numbers around. They could have this number be over here or this number be over there. All kinds of things they could do to this problem. But if you label all your stuff and plug it in yourself and then compare, you should be able to find that mistake.